Hi everyone, it's Corrie. Today I'm going to show you how to put this awareness ribbon candy holder together. So I'm going to start by uploading the image into Cricut Design Space. As you can see, there are two versions here of the ribbon. We'll just add them to canvas. Now, as you can see, everything is grouped together. All moves around together. So if we just go over here, you can see ungroup, click that. Now you've got three groups there. And you can move this solid ribbon, and then this one which I did for autism, and then you've got a separate group which is the mechanism. So I wanted to just show you this on this video in case you were making this solid ribbon one, which is the pink one. You can just click on there and change the colour to pink, say for breast cancer, and then you can hide that one by clicking the eye on that right hand side there. There we go. Obviously the pink is the same colour, so when we click make, hang on, we have to save our projects now. I'll just call it ribbon, save. As you can see, all of the pink items now go onto the same mats. Okay, I just wanted to go through that quickly because it's slightly different if you're making a single colour than if you're making multiple colours for the autism ribbon, for example. And I'll just show you, in case you wanted to change the black, for example, what you can do is just ungroup that one and take them apart like that, and this one you maybe want it white or something, it's up to you. So we just click on it and then we can change the colour over here because the white looks quite nice. But obviously there's lots of different awareness ribbons for different things, so you can choose whatever colour you like. I'm going to show you putting the autism one together. So this is the front piece with the bigger hole, and the dome sits inside of it like this. And then we have all of these small pieces for this one. Obviously, if you cut it as a like maybe a breast cancer one, that would just be one colour. And then we've got these two pieces with a smaller hole, and those are what I call the back. And the iris shutter sits in between them like this. This is the iris shutter. I'll just show you it working. There is a separate tutorial in the description below which shows you how to put that together. This, I don't think you can really see it. This is autism that I did in white vinyl. I'm going to add that. So I like to use this Beacon 3-in-1 glue. It's my favourite glue. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put all of these pieces for the front onto the black, because the design has like a little outline to make it look like a ribbon. It's important to just kind of put everything in place so we know that we're putting things down correctly. Okay, so as you can see, all of the pieces touch this edge here where the dome is going to sit. And I'm just going to use my Beacon 3-in-1 glue and glue them all into place now. Okay, so that's the front piece done. Next, I'm going to weed the vinyl and add that. It's best to use maybe a pre-used piece of transfer tape to avoid tearing the card that you're adding it onto. But if the card is quite smooth, if it has a smooth texture, it should be okay. It should not tear. Just take it slow when you're removing it. There we go. Now I'm going to move on to the back piece. I've done black. Again, you can do whatever colours you want. This is the back piece of the iris shutter with these little tabs on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it down like that, and you can see where the arm is going to swing. You can either put it across the top like that. This is the stop and the start, if you will, of the iris shutter, or you could put it on the right hand side. I think I'm going to put it on the right hand side this time. So flipping it over onto that side with the tab, apply glue all around the outer ring, pop it down, and then turn the whole thing over and make sure those two circles are aligned. If you can leave things to dry for a while, that would be great. I'm just doing this really quickly for the tutorial. Now the next thing is this double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to put it all over this area except for where the arm is going to swing. So all around here. I'll just do that now. The double-sided foam tape is great because you can make it to the right size and shape that you want. And then I use my glue and I go around that outer ring again, and then just line everything up as best you can. And then give it a squeeze all the way around. And I like to check that the iris shutter is still working at this point, because sometimes we get a bit of foam or glue in the wrong place and that can stop it from opening. And then the next step is to put the front on and go around this ring with the glue, and then place the dome into that glue. Now if you don't like doing it this way, you could use a pencil and draw inside of that ring and then add the glue. And then we would need to put this piece back on top, and you can either use the glue or the double-sided foam tape again. It just depends on what kind of an effect you want. If you want like more of a 3D effect, then you could use the foam tape. I'm just going to use the glue. Okay, so just place it down, line it up as best you can. And again, give it a squeeze all the way around. And that is your finished candy holder. Just show you it working. There we go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.